Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped worldwide from Melbourne in Australia.
Okay,
just
Yogi.
mixing it up. Oh yeah. Hey, boo boo. What's in the picnic basket? I'm a man of many voices. Yeah. Lost you, mate. I lost you a long time ago.
You've lost me with that one.
What are we doing today?
It took me back to my childhood.
Yeah.
We are doing another epic unboxing.
Oh, you're going to sing it?
That's your area,
you
isn't
sing it?
No,
Do it.
I can't sing for nuts, mate.
Okay, mate. Fantastic. So we're unboxing what? Do we know?
We think all these unboxings, I seem to end up going, well, I think I know what's in there. I think this is mainly platinum and gold. Okay. Mainly platinum and a little bit of gold.
Okay, cool.
But I might be mistaken.
Okay. I'm going to sit down right next to you.
Oh. You're getting close, even though I'm handling a knife.
I'm a little more confident now that we gave you the talk. We all gave him a talk. We all sat him down. It was like an intervention. We sat him down and said, we all had our individual pieces of paper that we wrote little speeches on, and then you finally admitted that you had a problem.
Yes.
And now you're on your P's.
I don't have a problem. I have many problems, mate.
Well, ain't that the truth? All right, what are we looking at here?
Just ask my wife and kids.
Boom, boom.
All right.
Looking platinum-y?
Looking goldy.
Goldy? Oh, okay.
These are, here I was whinging about these in the safe the other day. We hadn't done the unboxing. It's because we hadn't even unboxed them yet.
Ooh,
so these are the 2022 Britannias.
Fantastic.
In gold. We also have them in silver, which you'll see on a different unboxing video.
Yep.
And I believe these are the first ones in Australia.
Are you serious?
As far as I'm aware.
Wow. First look, everybody, at the 2022 Royal Mint Gold Britannia. That is just lovely. I really love the Royal Mint products.
Yeah. Have we done the video on the Britannia security features yet?
Not the extended version, no.
Yeah, okay.
No.
So you need to, when we release it, you need to tune into that one because the Royal Mint have gone all out on their security features. And it's really good to see one of the mints taking it seriously.
Absolutely. It's just beautiful. And of course, what's on the back? What's on the obverse?
I can't imagine what would be on the back of a Royal Mint Britannia coin.
No idea. Let's take a quick look. Yeah, of course. Her Madge.
Yes, he's actually in a little bit of ill health from what we hear at the moment.
Really?
Yeah.
I was not aware.
Yeah, so she's good.
She's bloody 95.
It's not that old.
It's not that old. I'm just saying she's 95. Good innings.
Yeah, she's doing well.
Good wicket. Good innings. No, not good wicket. Good innings. Fantastic.
Or
okay.
Is it really her?
Oh, don't even, mate. Don't even put that on a video.
Oh, yeah, sorry if I've offended anyone.
You know we have to stop and completely start this over again. No, we are just joking.
We're not even with Elvis.
What?
Could be hanging out with Elvis.
Don't, mate. You are setting off, and the comments are going to go crazy. You are setting off a maelstrom
for all those royalists out there that are watching this that I've just offended. Rest assured that my wife will lecture me sufficiently tonight as being one of the main royalists in this country.
Right. All right. So that was the gold 2022 Britannias.
Yes.
Oh, expert cutting there.
Thank you very much. Now these should be
similar.
Slightly different.
Yeah.
Same mint.
Platinum?
Yes.
Oh, mate.
Different metal.
Okay.
No, I'm not cutting towards my leg at all. Nowhere near a major artery.
Nowhere near it.
Now these I've been looking forward to for a while. Oh, no. They're not the ones I thought they were.
Oh.
These are not the coins you thought they were.
Oh.
So these are Platinum Britannias.
Okay. This is what I thought they were going to be.
Yeah, it wasn't what I thought.
Oh, okay.
We're due some Royal Mint Queen's Beast in platinum.
Oh, I see,
the Greyhound has been released.
I thought we received those already, didn't we?
Oh, did we?
I thought so. Anyway, platinum. Are these 2022?
These are 21s.
21. Okay, so we've had these before. 2021 Britannia, Royal Mint Britannia Platinum coins.
What do you reckon's on the back?
I don't know. some kind of lizard or something like that.
Now who's upsetting the locals?
See, you start it, and I just take it that one little.
Yeah, one step
further.
too far.
Oh, come on, mate. We all knew where you were taking it. All right, let's go. So the Britannia's fantastic.
Yes, they are. They're a great coin.
They are a great coin. Going to be the same in this box, do you
I
think?
suspect so, but I'm going to have a quick look just in case.
Yeah.
Because I know it sounds odd, but for the last... The reason why we don't know what's in some of the stacks is we can receive anything up to 100 boxes of bullion a day.
Yeah.
And it really, really, really gets out of hand. Yep, these are exactly the same, mate.
Okay.
I'll just check out their 2021s. Yes, they are.
All right.
Yeah, so, you know, when you're receiving somewhere between 50 to 100 boxes a day of platinum, of bullion, you tend to lose track of what's coming through the system.
Yep. All right, last.
So, do you want to pan around?
Last package.
Pan around in the background while I open this one. You can see this is what arrived yesterday afternoon, I think it was.
Yeah. Look at all this stuff.
You know, like it's just...
Yeah, tigers, we've got kookaburras, extra stuff there. That was the Scottsdale thing. That was the extra boxes from the Scottsdale unboxing we did. Kilo bars, kangaroos, 1,000-ounce bars.
1,000-ounce bars back in stock.
Are we going to try and cut another one in half?
No, we've done that.
Yeah.
I'm looking for some... looking at stet cord or dynamite or something like that. Jelly. We might run some jelly around it. See
Cool.
if we can...
All right.
See if we can get it apart that way.
All right, fantastic.
I reckon put that on camera.
Well, you are an explosives expert.
Well, maybe. So, platinum fillies. I think I've put
lovely.
it upside down.
Fantastic. We love a platinum filly. Let me just get this in focus. There we go. Yep. Say it every single time. Probably my favourite design because of its minimalist nature. Love the
Nothing to do with the musical instruments?
Oh, that too. But I just love and I just love it. I just love it. Simple, to the point. They're not being braggadocious about it.
Yeah. Is that a word?
Braggadocious.
Yeah.
100%.
Well, there you go. Never heard it before.
Yeah. There we go.
I do love the reproduction of the mint on there.
Yeah, great. Absolutely. So, Platinum Philharmonics.
It is.
Great.
And if you can see their monster boxes, they actually come in a plastic monster box. Red one, we should show it on camera one day. That's actually another monster box reproduction of the Austrian mint.
Really?
Yeah, it looks great.
Oh, very cool. All right. When we get one, we'll show you.
Yeah.
All right. Anything else they need to know?
Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff.
Hey, that's my line.
know,
All right. Head over to bullionnow.com.au. And as always, that's it from me.
And from me too.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.